and great Pakistani businessman sitting on our left and of course on the right. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure to be here at Austrian Federal Chamber of Commerce and to attend this wonderful business forum. I wouldn't want to repeat what Fraulein Carmen Gobi just mentioned in her speech, and then of course by Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan. But I would say the following. Pakistan and Austria have long-standing friendly relations. And these relations are based on very strong historical facts. Austrian companies have been working in Pakistan from many decades. It's a different matter that this level of activity had declined in the recent past for a variety of reasons. But of course, companies like Doppelmayr, who have installed cable car in Patriata, Murree, and of course, other parts of Pakistan, and then mining and mineral, and of course, renewable energy are areas where Austria has been proactively engaged with Pakistani counterparts. Ladies and gentlemen, this morning we are very warmly welcomed by Austrian Bundeskanzler, and I must say that his warmth, his friendly comments are heart-touching. We had first one-on-one, sorry, not one-on-one, a restricted form meeting, and then of course bilateral meeting, and then a smaller group of Austrian and Pakistani business meeting. These were very fruitful and very productive meetings. And I and my dear friend Chancellor, we have agreed that we will now jointly follow up these meetings and take many of these discussions to its very logical conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan has a very young population. We are a country of 240 million people, and out of this, 60% of the population are young boys and girls. They are very talented. They need, modern training in their hands, laptops, AI, IT-led initiatives. And by the grace of God, the government of Pakistan, led by this humble soul, along with the provincial government of Pakistan, are working together to promote IT-led education in Pakistan, vocational training, technical training, and as I speak, in all the provinces of Pakistan and at the federal level, these initiatives are being rolled out day in and day out. And as a result of that, thousands and thousands of Pakistani young, trained, technically trained boys and girls are not only very busy in building Pakistan's economy, but are also working outside Pakistan. Let me also address this point in total clarity. I am absolutely against illegal immigration. And we are working with our European friends, countries like Austria, Germany, France, and other countries, to jointly bring this illegal immigration to a grinding halt. And in return, your demand for trained labor, skilled labor, we are going to fulfill that demand with international certification to your requirement and your satisfaction. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is an agrarian economy. Even today, 60% of our population, they reside in rural areas. And we have huge potential in this field. We have very hardworking farmers, very knowledgeable farming community, and government of Pakistan, along with provincial governments, are supporting our farming community to enhance per acre yield of our agricultural produce like sugar, cane, wheat, maize, and lots of other production with higher quality production combined with value addition interventions. Now here, Austria can be a great partner, providing Pakistan with experience, with modern technology, to have value addition in the field of citrus fruit and make marmalade, juices, and export them to Austria, to Middle East, other parts of the world. Secondly, in mines and minerals, again, Austria can become a great partner. Meine Damen und Herren, Pakistan has vast resources of minerals, and of course, very rare minerals in the province of KP, Gilgit-Baltistan, Balochistan, and Azad Kashmir. And again, I think Austria can be a great partner in this field. Tourism. Doppelmayr, gentleman, is sitting here. We met this morning a while ago with the Bundeskanzler and his team, and we had a very good discussion. I have invited him and other very illustrious business community from Austria to visit Pakistan and be our guest, be my guest. And we will take you to all these very important places where you will meet your business counterparts in all these areas I've just discussed and those I've not mentioned. And then we will also show you Schönes Hochbergen, beautiful Bergen, beautiful mountains, and you will love it, like as at Sinead here in Wien today. Beautiful. And we have such beautiful parts in Pakistan. So we will mix business with pleasure. So I would like to invite Vice President, through your good offices, all important business houses from Austria, and we will take care of their boarding and lodging. They will be our guests, and they will meet great entrepreneurs from Pakistan sitting on my left in this room, and those who are not in this room, in textile, in leather, and various other areas of mutual cooperation. I will not take more of your time. Ladies and gentlemen, just a few points. Austria, with its world-class expertise in engineering, renewable energy, environmental technologies, advanced manufacturing, to benefit Pakistan's growth trajectory. Austria's leadership in hydropower. You have world-renowned companies in hydropower, solar technology, biomass, and smart grid solutions. Aligns perfectly with Pakistan's ambitions. So, as I've already said, we invite Austrian companies to participate in renewable energy projects, grid modernization, and Energielage. And your Austrian firms are again world-class companies for precision engineering, machinery, industrial automation. Billish as Steuer, but it is high-class technology, high class. So in agriculture and other areas, we welcome you, ladies and gentlemen, be our guest, and let's take this partnership to new heights. Finally, we look forward to the participation of Austrian companies in the EU-Pakistan Business Forum at the end of April in Islamabad. Vielen Dank, bitte schön, und es liebe die Pakistan-Österreich-Freundschaft.
Well, Your Excellency, thank you very much for your inspiring words and inviting Austrian and the Pakistan businesses to cooperate even more closely. We're coming now, it's not only about ceremonial, it's about business. Thank you very much. So we're coming now to the company introductions. Please, there is a very tight schedule, so I've been informed, please 1 minute per company. Please 1 minute per company, introduction and your project. And we start, Mr. Prime Minister, we start with Amex Health.